Okay, friends, we are in a wonderful place called Odessa. So one of the top cities of Ukraine. This is a famous opera house, and then we have a lot of food out here, and people are coming and enjoying. You can just see this, the tourists. We have a water body here, fountain, and all are coming and enjoying this beautiful place. And it's most friendly country, Ukraine. Welcome, whole world will come and enjoy.
Odessa's oldest park was landscaped by the brother of Jose D. Ribas in 1803 and was initially a private property. It opens onto Deribasivska Street in a web of paved paths, iron lanterns and flower beds with little iron fences. These all center on a beautiful pavilion, fountain and the summer theatre for the Odessa Philharmonic. Odessa was established by imperial decree at the end of the 18th century. It quickly flourished as a crucial port on the Black Sea. In the 19th century, Odessa was the most populous city in the future Ukraine and was inhabited by titans at the age like writer Alexander Pushkin and Field Marshal Vorontsov. The magnificent opera house is Odessa's piece de resistance and was conceived by the Viennese partners Fellner and Helmer in the 1880s. Fellner and Helmer contributed dozens of opera houses across Central and Eastern Europe, but they look back on Odessa's as their masterwork.
Liverpool, Ljubljana, then Greece, Moscow, Baltimore, so many kilometers from here. You can just see all that.
The city garden is also the site of some monuments honoring Odessa's cultural figures. The 12 Chairs monument is a nod to the famous Russian satirical novel of the same name by the brothers Ilf and Petrov. There is also a statue of the Duke of Richelieu, the first governor of Odessa in Roman garb. Another monument on the far eastern side of the boulevard pays homage to Alexander Pushkin, who lived in Odessa for just over a year up to 1824. Primorsky Boulevard is a cultured street and walkway beside Istanbul Park. On the city side, there is a row of tall mansion blocks, hotels, and museums, while looking out in the harbour are 4 lanes of pedestrian paths divided by lawns enclosed with little wrought iron railings.
Oh, we are in this wonderful place called Odessa in the Ukraine. Wonderful place. The second largest city of Ukraine. You can just see, come here. So beautiful. This is we are in the opera area. Lot of boulevards and people are enjoying. And you can see the Odessa Hotel, the very famous Odessa Hotel, and a beautiful place. Thank you very
staircase is a very ceremonious way to enter Odessa from the port. Paved with granite, the stairway was ordered by Prince Voronovtsov as a gift to his wife and built at the turn of the 1840s. There are 192 steps in total, over a length of 142 meters and a difference in elevation of 27 meters. Deribasevska Street is named after one of Odessa's founders, the Neapolitan Jose D. Ribas, and his statue can be found on the eastern end of the street. Running horizontally across the city for almost a kilometer, this street is Odessa's beating heart. The western half was pedestrianized in 1984 and has long lines of 19th century and early 20th century mansions.
This is similar to Green Tunnel. There are wonderful plantings of the trees, and when you walk through that, it looks like a tunnel made out of green trees. Evenings are really nice in Odessa. At the town hall, people come from all the places, and then they play the music and spend the evening in a very, very happy mood. there is a great saying by a tourist that see the Kiev in the daytime and Odessa as well as live in the night time. So it will be very nice. The nightlife is fantastic in Odessa as well as Lviv. So people from the other cities will come to spend evening time and the nightlife in Odessa. Odessa is famous for the Mozart's concerts,